Welcome to this tutorial on how to send payments using Zelle. Zelle is a convenient and fast way to send money to friends, family, and others you trust to get started. You will need to have a bank account in the United States and be enrolled in Zelle through your bank or credit union. First, locate the Zelle feature in your mobile banking app or online banking platform. If you have not already enrolled, follow the prompts to do so. You will need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and mobile phone number. Once you are enrolled, you can start sending payments. To do this, select the Send Money option and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. You can also select the recipient from your contacts if you have previously sent them money. Next, enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if you want to include a note with the payment. Review the information to make sure it is correct. Then confirm the payment. The recipient will receive a notification that they have received a payment, and the money will be deposited into their bank account usually within minutes. Keep in mind that you can only send money to recipients who have enrolled in Zelle. It is also important to note that Zelle does not charge a fee to send or receive money, but your bank or credit union may charge a fee for using the service. Be sure to check with your bank or credit union to see if they charge any fees. To avoid any issues, make sure you are sending money to someone you know and trust, and double-check the recipient's information before confirming the payment. It is also a good idea to keep your mobile device and banking app up to date to ensure you have the latest security features. In summary, sending payments using Zelle is a fast and convenient way to send money to others. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can use Zelle with confidence. Remember to always check with your bank or credit union for any fees associated with using the service, and only send money to people you know and trust.